What's up, guys? It's Conan Sparkles, and in today's video, I'm going to be playing Comfort Crowd by Conan Gray. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like Conan Gray. Oh, so yes. It is me. This is my face. I was told that I could show my face when I'm singing, so that's what we're doing today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to drop a comment on how you like this song. Anyways. It's getting heavy, but I'ma keep a smile on my shoulders till I'm sweaty, begging on my knees, screaming someone come and help me. But by the time they're there, I've already hit the body. My breath's getting short and I'm unsteady, welling up in tears as I lay upon your belly, telling you I'm fine, I don't really need nobody. But you say through a sigh that I said that lie already. I just needed company now. Yeah, I just needed someone around. Yeah, I don't care what song that we play or mess that we make, just company now. Comfort crowd, comfort crowd. We're all thinking lots about nothing. Yeah, I could spend a lifetime sitting here talking, and even if I cry all over your body, you don't really mind. Say I like your shirt soggy. I just needed company now. Yeah, I just needed someone around. Yeah, I don't care what song that we play or mess that we make, just company now. Comfort crowd, comfort crowd. We mess around and laugh too loud. We mess around and laugh too loud and make the sounds we try to hide when people are around. By blood we're brown, through ups and downs, through smiles and pouts. Comfort crowd, you can always count. I just needed company now. Yeah, I just needed someone around. Yeah, I don't care what song we... I'm sorry, I really have to cough. I don't care what song that we play or mess that we make, just company now. Comfort crowd.